What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about my favorite 0% interest business credit cards of 2024, with the last one being one of my favorite. So make sure you stick around to see that. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. So the first card on the list here is going to be the Chase Business Ink Cash. And the reason why this is one of my favorites at the moment is because they're giving a $900 bonus cash back after spending $6,000 on purchases. So if that's something you're interested in, I included a link down below where you guys could sign up. And yeah, after you hit 6,000, you guys will get the 900 cashback bonus. How I recommend you guys use that is you get the points and then transfer the points. If you guys like to travel and want to travel for free in Travel Hack, transfer the points to an airline partner. You guys will get 10x more on the points and then book through the airline partner. That way you guys get the most bang for your buck when it comes to using these points. All right, guys, next thing is you earn 5% cash back, earn 2% cash back on these categories. For the 5% is the office supplies, stores, internet, cable, phone services, all that good stuff. On 2% cash back, it's at gas stations, restaurants, and yeah, you guys get 1% cash back on all other purchases with no limits to the amount you can earn. All right, you guys also could redeem cashback rewards. Like I said earlier, you guys could do it through travel. That's what I recommend if you guys like to travel. And then you also get 5% cash back on Lyft rides, which is definitely something I got a lot on when I was in Miami recently. So yeah, this was actually one of the first cards I ever got approved for when I started my business credit journey a few years ago. And I had a baby limit with this card. I only had like around 3,000 on this card because I didn't really understand much about business credit back then. But this card actually goes up to 80,000. And the way you guys could get that is making sure, obviously, you guys have good business revenue and having a certain amount in the account and all of that good stuff, making sure you have a good credit report and all of that. So here are some other data points they look at. Here are some other data points that I wrote down here for you guys. They do pull Experian and TransUnion, so be ready for that. If you have any inquiries, get them removed. If not, just apply for the card. Also, guys, if this is something you're looking for some help with, if 0% interest funding is something you're looking for some help with, I actually have a program where I help people fund their trading accounts, businesses, real estate projects, e-com stores, any type of business or investment, whether it's existent or new. We can help you out with that. So if that's something you're interested in, you could click the link down below and book a call, or fill out the form and book a call, and somebody from my team will reach out to you and tailor a specific strategy exactly toward your unique situation. All right, guys, next thing on the list here is the Amex Blue Business Cash. This right here. So they also have a very good sign-up bonus. You earn 15,000 membership points after you only spend 3,000. So if that's something you're interested in as well, click the link down below to sign up for this. I have a link for you guys where you guys can sign up. And this is also 0% interest for 12 months. You also get 2 points, 2x points on everyday eligible business purchases and 1% on everything else. Amex also has an amazing travel rewards, a reward system. So you guys could do the same thing. They have a bunch of partners, a bunch of airline partners that they partner with. So you guys could do the same thing I said earlier in the video and transfer the points and get 10x on all of the points, all right? So this is also one of the first cards I got approved for. When I got approved for this card, I got approved for like around 15K. So yeah, from what I recall, these cards usually go up to 20 to 30K. Maybe it's higher now, I'm not too sure, but yeah, I've seen around the highest on this card is like 30K. To get higher limits, guys, I recommend you guys leverage relationship managers. If you guys don't currently have any, book a call below and we can help you out with that. We have a bunch at the biggest banks. So Amex also usually does pull Experian at the time of this video. And if you already have a relationship with Amex, it will be a soft pull and they won't pull at all. So that's an amazing thing about Amex. After you're in their system, they won't do any pulls whatsoever. All right, guys, so the next thing on the list is the Chase Unlimited Business Credit Card. I have it right here. So it's very similar to the other one. And 0% interest. So if that's something you're interested in, you could click the link down below and book a call, or fill out the form and book a call. And then you also get 5% cash back on Lyft rides, which is definitely something I got a lot on when I was in Miami recently. So yeah, this was actually one of the first cards I ever got approved for when I started my business credit journey a few years ago. And I had a baby limit with this card. I only had like around 3,000 on this card because I didn't really understand much about business credit back then. But this card actually goes up to 80,000. And the better thing about this card is they have 1.5% cash back in comparison to the 1% cash back. They also have a $900 bonus cash back similar to the first business cash one. I included a link down below where you guys can sign up for this card. And this is in the first 3 months after opening the account. I recommend you guys apply for the business cash first and build a relationship with Chase if you guys still haven't. If you guys don't have any personal cards with them, I do recommend the personal cards as well. You guys always want to be relationship banking and building as much of a relationship as you could with the banks. The way you do that is getting as much products with them as you could. And of course, when it comes to the personal side, you guys will be getting the hard pulls with Chase, and you guys could always remove that and then go for the business card after. And when it comes to the business credit inquiries, they don't link to an open account. So it's a lot easier to remove the business credit inquiries than the personal because they don't link to anything on the personal account, and it won't close the account down when you remove the inquiry. All right, guys, this also has the 5% cash back on Lyft rides too. And this also has very, very high limits, anywhere from 50K up to 80K as well. All right, this also pulls Experian and TransUnion, similar to the first one. Of course, it's Chase. That's usually what they like to pull. All right, and last but not least, one of my favorite cards on this list that a lot of people aren't talking about is the Goldman Sachs business credit card. This one right here. This is one of my favorites. They actually don't do an income verification check. So you guys could get approved for this card. They do like when the business is at least 2 years or older. So if you currently have a business that's less than 2 years, I recommend you guys get an aged corp. If you guys need help with that, you guys could DM me and I'll help you guys out with that. This card does go up to 40K and it's 0% for 1 year. It is a soft pull on Equifax, which is what I love about this card. They also have 5% cash back on GM stuff, 3% cash back on gas stations, and it's a no annual fee, which is amazing if you guys travel a lot. And yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite cards. It is an instant approval. They'll show you a pre-approval on the page after you apply. If you got approved, they'll show you the exact limit you guys got approved for and whatever the next steps are to get fully approved. So if you guys got pre-approved, they will show you, and it is a soft pull, which is why this is one of my favorite on the list of 2024. All right, guys, I hope that was a helpful video with a lot of practical takeaways. Don't forget to like the video if you got some value. Comment down below what cards you'll be applying for in 2024. Check out all the links I have down below and slap the subscribe button if you still haven't, and I'll see you here in the next video.